Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add and manage Siri on your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. You have to start by opening the application and now go to Gestures. Now decide you wanna use the left one or right one earbud. I prefer left one, but it's the same for the right one. So I'm just click on press and hold because we can add it just for a press and hold, not for a double tap, tap or triple tap. So I'm just click on it and choose voice assistant. And now if I press and hold on these touch areas on my left earbud, I will call a Siri. So I should put it to my ear and I will show you. So now I am press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!